Not everyone is good at chilling. It takes skill, you know.
Go, Teddy. No, wait.
Go, let go.
Spine is just a name. He doesn't actually have one.
Your body weight to push the dough into itself. You might have to add a bit of flour until the dough is easier to work with.
Did you guys hear me? Stop fighting. What kind of besties act like this? Wait, since when did toys move on their own? Back off, buddy. That's for invading my territory. When you try to make a move but get ghosted by her. I will update my resume as I'm basically a nanny now, just furrier. The system's usually fine, but sometimes it needs quick maintenance. Hope you understand.
Buddy, can I just get my key?
Jag lämnar sig mycket för den. Look, baby.
Some actors are so talented that they don't even have to try hard. That dude must have been really desperate to suddenly decide to go vegetarian. This guy watched the latest Kung Fu Panda. Have you seen it yet? So they're skipping the duel and heading straight to the duo, huh? Think of this as a reminder to prioritize my treats instead of your stupid rice next time. Some lessons need a swift delivery. So who actually owns this house? Because something here really doesn't seem quite right. You can tell if a cat's happy about vet visits by this reaction. No matter how sassy your cat is, sometimes they'll totally ditch their pride.
Just so you know, I'm not jealous of your new hamster.
Even as teens, our inner child refuses to totally grow up, right? Being a nanny for free Uber rides for life sounds like a sweet deal, right? Dentists must love patients with a sweet tooth. You know what I mean. If your cat brings out his punch, congrats. You're on his blacklist now. I swear there's got to be something in there, like treats or something. The litter box? Nah. We call it the Dream Factory. He's gonna be a great gardener.
虎皮过来。哎呀，
When you always dreamed of a little sibling who listens, but reality's different. Size S and size XXL. How well do you think this couple's matching works? I mean, keeping them dust-free is important, but who knew he'd go this far? Do your girlfriends always pull the same move as this cat when you try to sleep? We can laugh all day with these funny cats, right? Thanks for watching.